안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Hey everybody. So today we are going to learn about facility in Korean. How to speak facility in Korean. So facility in Korean is 시설. 시설. Okay, let's move on. So our first facility is movie theater. Movie theater is called 영화관. 영화관. Yes, so 영화 is actually movie. Let's go watch movie. Let's go watch 영화. 영화 means movie. So 영화관, 관 is like a theater. Okay? So 영화관. 영화관. Movie theater. Okay, next one. Just theater is 극장. Where you where you watch, live dramas and musicals. Opera is theater. So 극장, 극장, 극장. Okay, next one. Cafe is 카페, 카페. So you say it as 카페 for cafe. Okay, next one. Convenience store. Convenience store is 편의점. 편의점. So you say 편의점. So even though this is pronounced as 의, so when you read this fast, it's 편의점. Sounds more like 이. 편의점. 편의점. Pronounced as more like 이. 편의점. Not 편의점. 편의점. Okay? Convenience store. 편의점. Next one. Library. 도서관. 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 Library. 도서관. Okay? Wonderful. Next one. Bookstore. Bookstore is 서점. 서점. Bookstore. 서점. Okay? Next one. Restaurant. Restaurant. 식당. Do you remember when we learned cafeteria uh, when we were learning about facilities in school? Yeah, so cafeteria was called 식당 in Korean, and I did say we do call restaurant 식당 as well. So 식당. So which 식당 did you went yesterday? I mean, it could mean cafeteria, but mostly it means restaurant. So it depends on the conversation and the context, okay? So 식당, restaurant, 식당. Bank is 은행. 은행. 은행 is bank. Okay? 은행. Moving on. Gym or gymnasium or gym, okay? Where you work out is called 헬스장. So 헬스 came from the English word health. Okay? Health. So pretty much it's like so 장 is like a stage or a podium stage. Yeah. So pretty much it means health장 is like a place where you maintain your health, something like that. So 헬스장. So it's gym. 헬스장. Okay. Moving on. 미용실. 미용실. It's a beauty salon. 미용실. Beauty salon. 미용실. 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 Okay. Yes, so 미용 is actually beauty. Yeah. 실 is like the place where you do, transform your beauty. 미용실. Okay, next one. Yes, karaoke. Korea is very famously known for lots of noraebang, not karaoke places. Koreans love noraebang, and because due to COVID-19, we can't go to noraebang, so the whole citizens, the people of Korea, they're pretty sad. So 노래방, karaoke. 노래 is, yes, 노래 means to sing. Sing. And 방 is room. I think we covered that, didn't we? Oh, excuse my writing. Room, so singing room. Pretty much, 노래방. Okay. So let's review our first section. Facility, 영화관, it's movie theater. 영화관, 극장, just theater. 카페, it's cafe. 편의점, convenience store. 도서관, library. 서점, bookstore. 식당, restaurant or cafeteria if it's a school, etc. 은행, bank. 헬스장, health, and 장 together, so place where you maintain develop your health, your muscle, gym. 미용실, beauty salon. And finally, 노래방, karaoke. 노래 was singing, sing. 방 is a room, so a room where you sing, so it's 노래방. Yes. Okay. Okay, next one. Swimming pool. Swimming pool, Korean, 수영장. 수영장. So su for a Chinese character, it means water. Yeah. I can't write Chinese character, but anyway, I know that su in Chinese character is water. So 수영장. So 장 is here again, like the 장 for like the place, like the venue. Yes. So 수영장. So 수영 is swimming, of course. Okay, next one, bowling club. Okay, or bowling alley, we should say. So bowling club, bowling alley is 볼링장. Yes, 볼링장. Or, if you say 야구장, 야구 is baseball actually. So 야구장 is a baseball field, baseball stadium. 축구장, 축구 is football or soccer in America. 축구장, that means is soccer stadium or soccer field. Yeah, and so forth, okay? So, 장. Next one. Internet cafe. PC방. Also very famously known. Korea is famously known for PC방 and noraebang. So PC방 is where you play the computer games, with whoever you meet there, and also on the server. Internet cafe. PC방. Okay. Next one. Park. 공원. 공원. As park. Next one. 놀이터. That's playground. 놀이터. 놀이 it means play. 놀이 is play. And 터 is like the area where you play. Oh, excuse me. Area where you play. So, playground. Okay, next one. 놀이공원. Amusement park. So, 놀이 and 공원 combined together becomes 놀이공원. Amusement park. 놀이공원. Okay, and the zoo. 동물원. The zoo. 동물 means animal. Yeah, we did cover that on our previous lessons. That's animal. So where animals are Our place is 동물원, the zoo. Okay. Public bath. So I'm not sure if your country has where you are public bath, but in Korea public bath is pretty big. So it is also called the jjimjilbang, like the sauna. It's a big sauna place where you can, stay there. It's really affordable, and there's a lot of good food, and you can take a public bath and so on. I really love it too, and I miss it because since COVID-19, we can't go there. It's closed, most of them. So 목욕탕, 목욕탕, 목욕탕. Okay, public bath or sauna, public sauna. Okay. Next one, marketplace. Marketplace is 시장. 시장. That's where you get, really cheap, things compared to department store or supermarket. 시장. Okay. And 역 is station. If you remember from the transportation lesson, we had the 기차역 and the 지하철역. Yeah, that 역, station. Okay, to help you to remind again, to review, 역 is station. Next one, downtown. Downtown is 도심. 도심. 도심 is downtown. Okay, so we're done with the second set. Let us review. We had 수영장, swimming pool, bowling장, bowling club, bowling alley, PC방, the internet cafe, 공원, the park, 놀이터, playground, 놀이공원, amusement park, 동물원, zoo, 목욕탕, public bath, 시장, marketplace, 역, station, 도심, downtown. Perfect. All right, let's move on to our last set. Police office. Okay, is 경찰서. 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 경찰 is police. Yes. So 경찰서, police office. Okay, next one. Fire station. 소방서. 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 Fire station. Next one. The embassy. Embassy is called 대사관. 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 Embassy. Okay. Next one. City hall. City hall is 시청. 시청. City hall. 시청. Yes, city is 시. So I am living in the city of Seoul, so I call it in Korean 서울시. If you are from the Busan, the city of Busan, you say 부산시. I'm from the 부산시. Okay, wonderful. And our last facility is school, 학교. Okay, I'm sure you know this by now. 학교, school. Okay. Yeah, so you're kinda in doing an online 학교, learning Korean from me. Okay. So let us finally review our final set. So we covered 경찰서, the police office. 경찰 is police. 소방서, fire station. Firefighter, we call it 소방관. 소방관. Okay, but we'll cover that later, okay? 대사관 is the embassy. Embassy is 대사관. 시청, city hall. 학교, school. 학교 is school. Alright. Thank you. We'll see you in our next lesson. 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다. Bye.